Hey YouTube, Miss Kia J here. Really quickly, I'm gonna try to keep this under 2 minutes. I have 3 products, also from Fair and White, that are cheaper than the exclusive whitenizer. So if you haven't watched that video, subscribe to my channel, go back and watch the $100 Fair and White whitenizer video. But I found something that's not only more effective, it's better, it's cheaper. Not only that, you can buy it on Amazon, and in most cases, if you are a Prime member, it's going to be cheaper than what you can purchase on fairandwhite.com. 3 very easy steps. I'm not going to demonstrate them, but I want you to see the product so that you know what I'm working with. To you guys in phone land or whatever, camera land, my skin looks fairly clear, but the reality is I'm still dealing with some dark spots, so it's not so much darkness in the cheeks. I've been able to clear that up, but it's only because of this. So I want you to see it. First step, and this is for women of color specifically. I don't know how it works on us, the other lighter tones. 3 steps. Number 1, this is Fair and White Gold. This was new about a year ago, and I bought it about 6 months after the whitenizer. So Fair and White Gold, step number 1 is the preparer. Step number 2, which is your pretty much bleach magic. This is the unifier, or for even tone. So this is your, main active ingredient. And step number 3, sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Black women, we were never brought up putting on sunscreen, especially if you're in my generation. But if you are trying to fade dark spots and you're trying to correct hyperpigmentation, if you put all that work into fading it and then you continue to leave your house every day without an SPF of 30 or above, you're wasting your time. So you truly and honestly, using these 3 products together, they work. I purchased them from Amazon instead of buying them from Fair and White because my Amazon discount was better. I had free shipping, I had a gift card. It basically worked out to maybe 60 bucks. But this worked better than the 6-week treatment. The 6-week treatment worked well, but it wasn't for long-term use. I've had these for about 5 months, and I'm still using them in conjunction with Mary Kay to just give me healthy skin. So I'm coming up on my time limit, but guys, I don't currently sell these, but please visit hellobeautiful-thebox.com. I will often have products like these in the box. If you guys love them, I will put them in the box and I will buy them. But these work. If you've seen my skin before, if you've followed me, this is good. This area is good. This is good. I have 1 zit on my face and it's almost time for my cycle. So guys, Fair and White has a great product. I wish that they would do direct selling because I would love to do it. But these 3 products work. I would use them in conjunction with another cleanser system that you're using. And again, if you have oily skin or prone to acne, Mary Kay Time Wise 3-in-1 cleanser for a combination of oily is going to be the way to go. But I thank you guys for watching the reviews. I thank you guys for trusting me and watching my beautiful skin journey. I appreciate the love and support. Please subscribe and have a wonderful rest of your day.